Good evening, English speakers. Today is a vocabulary lesson, and you might already know this about me. I love cars. So the theme for this vocabulary lesson is going to be the word garage, which is kind of related to cars. So notice I pronounced it garage and not garage. Both of those are acceptable pronunciations of this word, and they sound very different. The first one, which I said, garage, stresses the second syllable, garage, but the other pronunciation stresses the first syllable, and the vowel sounds are slightly different. I'm going to say it twice, listen carefully. Garage, garage. And the version that I use often is garage. I think garage is the British pronunciation and garage is the American pronunciation. So let's talk about how to use this word. A garage, as a noun, is a sheltered space as part of a building. It's kind of like a room where you store or park vehicles. And usually a home might have a 2-car garage or a 1-car garage. It's not going to be very big, but if you're a millionaire or a Hollywood celebrity, you might have a huge car collection and you could have something like a 25-car garage. And boy, would I love to have a 25-car garage. With 25 cars in it, of course. I mean, you have to admit, it would be pretty sad if I had such a huge garage with not enough cars to put in it. Now, a garage could also be a place where you take your car to get it fixed or serviced. So, a professional mechanic's workshop could also be called a garage. The word garage can also be used as a verb, but the interesting thing is, as far as I can remember, I've only ever heard it used in the participle form. I've never heard it used in the present tense or the simple past tense. People often say that they keep their car garaged, and that means that they keep it in a garage. For example, when you're searching for a secondhand car, and let's say you're looking in the classified section of a newspaper, a lot of ads might say that the car has been kept garaged for all its life. And that means that the car has been kept in a sheltered area and it hasn't been left outside and exposed to all the elements like rain and direct sunlight. So that means that the paint might be in better condition than a car that's been parked outside all the time. So that's how the word garage is used as a verb. It's used as a participle adjective, to keep something garaged.